beautiful. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick plate that I make. I usually make it when I am pregnant, but I'm not pregnant. But I usually make this plate when I'm pregnant because I don't know, there's just something about the chile verde that just like gets me going. It's so freaking delicious. So it's a super simple thing I make, and a lot of you have been requesting it. A lot of you requested it when I was pregnant, and I'm so sorry, and I never got around to it. But I woke up a couple of days ago and I've just been making it ever since. So it's just going to be a quick how I make it and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys make it, please tag me so I can just drool over the picture and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm gonna grab my pan, turn it on 6, then I'm gonna spray my pan with Pam. Then I'm gonna bust out my George Foreman grill and add 2 tortillas. I cook 4, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with 2 eggs. I got this down to a science of how much I need, okay? So I'm just going to test out the pan, see if it's a little hot, add a little bit, and it is. So now I'm gonna pour my eggs. Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna grab some foil so that my tortillas don't get cold. So I put 2 in there already, and now I'm gonna cook 2 more. I like my tortillas a little bit toasty, but not too toasty. Now for my eggs. Underneath is cooked, so now I'm gonna flip it. I like my eggs to be very pretty and golden. I don't like them like too yellow. They need to be golden, or I won't eat them. I swear. I don't know why. It's just like that. So now I'm gonna go in with chile verde. I am gonna try you guys' recipes, but for now this is the one I love using. It's so freaking good. It's the best. I use it on everything. I buy the big chile verde at Sam's. So now I'm just gonna shake it up and pour it right on top of my eggs. Ugh, and I pour a lot, okay, because I like this stuff, especially when this chile verde hits the oil and it turns like a little bit of a darker green. It's so freaking good. So I'm just going to go in there, make sure it's cooking really well, and then I'm going to start cutting up my egg. Okay, I do this while it's cooking with the chile verde. I don't know why. Ever since I started doing it this way, I do this way all the time. So I'm just going to just cut it. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting so hungry again. So I just cut it into pieces. Make sure it's cooking. Not like little baby pieces either, okay? It has to be like a medium piece. I don't know. It just has to be like that. Can't be too small either. It just has to be like medium. Like, I guess it's like I'm slicing pizzas. So I'm just going to just move it around and let it cook until the chile gets a little bit darker. It can't look like it's a light green. It has to look like it's a dark green. So I'm just going to mix it in there. And I just let it cook for a little bit, just to make sure it's getting the chile verde in there. All right, see, it's done now. Now we're gonna move on and put it in our plate. I know I'm using a spatula. Oh, I went in with a spoon to scoop up the rest of the chile verde, okay? Excuse me, but all of it, okay? This is 2 eggs. I eat 2 eggs. I'm telling you, got it down to a science. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my crema. This is so good. This is so good. This is a low-fat one, so I try to tell myself, like, see, it's not as bad, but whatever. So I pour it on top, then I add my cheese, my queso, and I add a lot of it, okay? Because I am eating for flavor. I'm eating because this is a craving. I want to enjoy it. So I go in with a lot. Then I go in with a cold Coke, crack it open. Then I grab my tortilla, and then I start mixing it all in together so I can get enough of everything. Enough of the crema, enough of the queso, all of it. And then I add it on my tortilla, okay? You can use whatever you want. You can use beans, you know, whatever you guys want. But this is how I eat it. And this is so freaking good. So if you guys try it, when you're eating it, think of me because it's delicious. So I'll make sure I get enough of everything. I was going to talk in this part right here, but you guys, I was just enjoying my drink. And it's early. No one was awake besides me and Jade. So I just fold it up and take a good big bite. Oh, it's so delicious. See, look at my face. Then I grab some, add a little bit on top for a little bit of flavor. Okay, and then I'm gonna take another bite. Oh, it's so good. I'm telling you guys, it is so, look at my happy dance. It's so delicious. Add a little bit more. You see Jade in the back. I'm feeding her too. So freaking good. You guys definitely have to try it. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you guys want more videos like this where it's just something that I just love to make that's just like super simple, super easy, and I will definitely do that for you guys.